This is the Specialist 2019 Tech Allowed question 6b, finding the equation of this sec graph, because we're told to use the sec rule. So I've got to come up with 4 possible solutions that match this graph, remembering that there are many possible solutions. Okay, so since this goes from 1 to -1, therefore it must be 1 on the sine cos of something, because my amplitude of 1 is, so my value of A is going to be 1. Could be -1, I'll double check that in a minute. My period goes from 0 to 2 pi, therefore n is going to be 1. I would normally, for a cos of x, I would have asymptotes at 2 pi, that's going to be pi on 2. I would normally have an asymptote at pi on 2, but here I've got an asymptote at pi on 6. Therefore, it's been moved from pi on 2 back to pi on 6. Therefore, it's gone to the left pi on 3. Therefore, B can equal positive pi on 3. And C, up and down movement, there has been no up and down movement. So that's going to be 0. Okay, just to double check that, I've entered these into my calculator here. I've got this graph and it's looking to have the same patterns as what I was expecting. If I put x equals pi on 6, that should be where my asymptote is, and I can double check that that's where my asymptote is. So that's one example that I like. Had I have had a -1 there, then I would have had -2 pi on 3, because I'd need to move 2 pi on 3 to the right to get the asymptotes into the right spot. So as I said, more than one answer is possible, but that is one solution.